Good morning everyone. Today I want to show how to upload your files or folders in the Google Drive of your Gmail account. I know this is almost many teachers they know it. For this description I would like to thank my PGTCS Sandeep Kumar Srivastav sir. He was PGTCS in KV NAD Visakhapatnam. Now he transferred to other KV. He taught me 4 years back. There is a very urgent uploading of the video and share the link to our KVSRO Hyderabad. So I did not know. So there was internet problem and it was very urgent work. There was an internet problem in the school. So they guided along with our principal sir. Uh, so I would like to thank both of them. So they through the TeamViewer or any desk they guided me. But now due to last year, due to Corona pandemic situation, we all learnt a lot of things like Google Form, Google Sheet, and quizzes, Kahoot, hot potatoes, a lot of things. So this is very simple thing. Still, some teachers they told so please explain us. So for them and for others it may be very useful. So we'll go to first. You open your Google Chrome. So once you open, you can see your ID is there. It is visible. You can see here your ID is visible here. You can see. So there is a 9 dots. You can see here. You can click on this 9 dots. Once you click on this 9 dots, see here. Once you click on these 9 dots, you can see the Meet, Google Classroom, account. This all you can see. So there is a triangle shape button with drive is there. You can see here. You can click on this drive. So directly you will go to the Google Drive. Or if any problem or दिक्कत होता है तो you can just type here drive, then it will drive.google.com. So automatically it will take to your drive. Okay, once the drive is open, you can see the my drive and shared drives or any drive is shared with you, but we are not working with as a teamwork or shared with me. So other colleagues who shared when I made a copy, so these all shared work will be visible. Like PGT, BIOS, senior teachers, a lot of things they shared with us. I am thankful to them. So they allowed me to compile the data in my blogspot also, here also sometimes compiling. So they are sharing just they shared the content will be visible here. So my drive, when you click on it, so very simple. If you want to create a new drive, just right click, then click on the new folder. If you want to create a new folder, not new drive, sorry, new folder. If you want to create a new folder, just right click, then click on the new folder. Then a folder will be generated and you rename it. And under that, inside that folder, you can put all your question papers or PPTs or anything you can put there. Or directly you can pull a folder to here. Just you drop it, then automatically it will be uploaded here. So both the things. Suppose click on the new folder. The name you can type anything. Suppose demo 001 or something like that. Just create it. So it is created. Once it is created, you can see it is created. Just double click it. Any files or folders you want to just pull it there, automatically it will go there. Just pull it, then automatically it will be uploaded there. Suppose I want to upload all NCERT books. So this is the NCERT books, 6th science NCERT something is there. Just this folder I want to just drop it here. So automatically you can see slowly it is uploading here. So it will take time and it will upload it. Or directly folder also we can just drop it and it will be uploaded in your Google Drive. Directly folder also, if you don't want to create a new folder and put all the files, or you can select any files also you can put here, just drop it, it will be uploaded. Once it is uploaded, you can click on that drive, then you can create a link. Through that link anyone can download it, anyone can view option when you create, so anybody can download it, view. They cannot edit, only they can download it or view it. So for that, what to do? Suppose I want to share this NCERT book, science book, so click on this get link, or you can add to share with other Gmail IDs, anyone if you want to share. So get link. So when you click on the get link, same thing, you can see here restricted is visible. So click on this, anyone with this link, viewer, they cannot comment or editor, just viewer. Then click on the copy link. After click on the copy link, then you can share this link to anyone. Hope it is very useful to you. Please give your valuable suggestions and comments. Thank you all.